Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and what we're watching today is workouts for over 50. And the first exercise is a linear squat, and you squat down, straight down halfway through and get up, and that's another half squat exercise. The next exercise is a leg extension. You sit down on near a functional trainer, attach the cable to your ankle and lift your leg. So this is another common exercise. The next exercise is the most important one. This is the wall sit with a weight. Okay, so you have the adductors also working with a medicine ball attached in the middle, and there's another position you can see it, and this is a very functionally very good exercise for your strength and endurance, and there's not much movement in this. So the next exercise is hamstring curls, attaching a cable to the functional trainer again, pulling the cable and working out the biceps femoris of your hamstring. And this is a very engaging exercise for your hamstring, and if you can pull it a little more, you will see the glutes engaging, but you can start with your hamstrings first, then you will see the next exercise coming. If you see, this is a leg kicker and the glutes reverse kicker it's called. So we work on the glutes. It's a very important muscle. As your sarcopenia sets in, you lose your glutes first. This is farmer's walk, and we are taking it really slow, and we are walking on the toe with the weight, and see that your calf is engaged completely while you do this. At the same time, when you're doing farmer's walk, it's known for engaging your core. And these are the few exercises for reversing sarcopenia. And if you like such content, like, share, subscribe, and ask us any questions. We will be able to help you. Thank you, and see you in another video.